So we move now to an oligarchy. Oligarchy in ancient Greece. An oligarchy is a form of government in which the ruling power is in the hands of very few leaders. The word oligarchy comes from the Greek terms oligos, meaning few, and archein or archos, meaning rule. Between 1100 and 800 BCE, small groups of people began to share the ruling power in several Greek city-states. Political power was often shared among aristocrats, who inherited wealth and power from their families, and a king. Over time, this ruling arrangement changed. Oligarchies developed in which political power rested with only a few select wealthy individuals. Some of these members of the ruling circle were of aristocratic birth, while others were wealthy members of the middle class. Like monarchs, oligarchs usually had luxurious lives and enforced their rule with military support. Citizens in an oligarchy enjoyed certain protections, although they lacked full political rights, such as voting. Therefore, most citizens of an oligarchy had very little say in how the city-state was run.